Hi everyone, in this interesting video I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting history of a person, and here's a question about that. Which of these cooking gurus was once a professional stockbroker? Well, I'll give you a list of the option, and here is the list of the option. The very first option is Rachael Ray, second option is Martha Stewart, the third option is Ramsay, and the very last option is Flay. And the correct answer of the question is Martha Stewart. And here is the reason why Martha Stewart is the correct answer. The correct answer is Martha Stewart, who was once a professional stockbroker before becoming a cooking guru. Rachael Ray is a celebrity chef and television personality known for her cooking shows, cookbooks, not for a background in stockbroking. Ramsay is a renowned chef and television personality famous for his culinary skills and fiery temperament, but it didn't work as a stockbroker. Flay is a celebrity chef and restaurateur, recognized for his contribution to the culinary world, but didn't have a career as a stockbroker. Martha Stewart, however, started a professional life as a stockbroker on Wall Street before transitioning into the realm of cooking, home decor, and lifestyle publications, which catapulted her to fame in the cooking and homemaking industry. So that is correct answer for the question. Martha Stewart, that's the correct answer. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.